Can you change your team name or display name after creating your team? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is move into Safari and then move into the website play.fifa.com. In this page, you have to make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now simply click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Different options will appear. You have to head over to Play Zone. Once you're inside the page, you will be able to see your display or team name. But you should know that unfortunately, once you have created your team in FIFA World Cup Fantasy and selected a team name, it cannot be changed later. Many users look through the settings, profile page and team management options expecting to find an edit button, but FIFA Fantasy currently does not provide any option to rename your team after it has been created. This means the team name you choose during the setup process becomes permanent for the fantasy competition. Even if you made a typo or simply want a different name, there is no official feature that allows you to edit it afterward. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.